Right, we're in a bit of a mad rush here. Well, I am anyway, not we. Contractors have turned up to chop some grass, and I didn't want to miss out on it, so I've just flown from home with the drone. We're going to get it in the air quick, see if we can get some of it on camera. I was just thinking the drone won't connect, but I ain't got it turned on. Oh, panicking. Now we have got power lines in here I've got to be a bit careful of, so perhaps we'll just get right above them to start with. I need sunglasses. Now I need to be in the shade somewhere. God, this is horrible. Right, so we're currently just waiting on a trailer, but the guys actually come out and cut the grass yesterday, which was Friday. I didn't manage to get up here. We were running heifers around, a bit busy. Otherwise we would have come and got a bit of drone footage of that. But there's a guy in the rake here. I think Rob's sat in there with him. And when I turned up, there was a couple trailers here. They've both gone. I don't know how many trailers are running. So at the minute we're just waiting for something to happen, but I'm sure it will in a minute. They've done the big field behind us. So there was about 60 acres in 4 fields that were cut. They've done the big one behind us. This is the second biggest one here now, and then there's 2 little cow paddocks to do afterwards. So this is just grass that's got ahead of the cows. Taking it out of the rotation after walking around with a plate meter. On AgriNet it tells you sort of your demand of what you're feeding and how much you're growing and if you've got a surplus. So we're in a position where we had a bit of a surplus, so we took out a load of paddocks for silage. This will more than likely end up being fed back to cows in a month's time when everything's baked and dried up, but at least you got it there to feed. So I think what we'll do, whilst there's no trailer here, change the drone battery, because keeping it up in the air cooks these batteries whilst they're not being used. And then as soon as another trailer turns up in a minute, we'll put it back up in the air. Of course, being the really professional YouTuber I am, none of my drone batteries are ever charged. I don't think half my camera batteries are charged. This one's getting fairly low, and I have no excuse for not doing it. Rubbish.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. Yeah, you pull me I'm on cloud 9.
I've just been out to get myself some dinner before we sheet down. I'm pretty sure this one I'm following here, this Roland, is one of BG Pierce's trailers. They sort of sub in and out to contractors. They got a big fleet of these Roland trailers. Thumping great trailers. That's obviously quite handy for contractors. They can sort of call on them, bring a few trailers at a time or whatever. So I think there's this one, and I think is there 2 or 3 Richard Westons going as well? Might just be 2, I think. But yeah, it's nearly done. I think there's probably only 1 or 2 more loads after this Roland. Well, that might be it, I don't actually know. And then we'll begin the lovely process of sheeting down. Well, this is a little bit embarrassing. I was sat over there in my truck, and there's a couple of tractors and trailers parked here, whilst I thought they were waiting for the last load to come. And the whole time Rob's been sat up there on the tractor, I didn't even know. There's a nice little wedge. Rob's doing his best not to drive into the wall. Just packing it all down, giving it a roll. I wonder if he'll scrape this front bit up or not. That was the bulk of first cut there. Come out around the corner, and I say this is just some paddocks that have got ahead of the cows, but that'll be fed back out when it gets dry. Before too long, I would have thought. Right, so here it is, all rolled. Is this the knife you wanted?
Yes, obviously.
Yeah, that's jabbing me.
I suddenly thought I might not need it, actually.
How have you managed to do that?
Just put some crud in there. Well, that worked quite well. I tipped them both up on top, and this one rolled down back up on top of me. So hopefully this is the clean seal. If not, we'll be doing it again.
Well, there's only 2 lots, and there was this one that says black on it, and then there's this one. So
The later, I'll keep really happy.
that'll stay there forever. Gone spraying, won't be back till after 2.
We'll be back to at least 5 o'clock tonight.
I'll be done about whenever you're done.
We just pull this up a little bit.
Yeah, you want plenty at the back.
That's it. Yeah, I need backup.
I need backup.
I'm rolled very evenly with one of you trying to not stand on it.
That's it.
Oh, gosh.
Got grass on it. Oh. Mine just, where does your maize come? Normally to the line?
Yeah.
We'll go to the line and...
Oh, okay, let's just unroll it then.
Go look at
I've gone spray. No, you haven't. You're right there.
Oh, good.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Not what
He's here.
here.
Perhaps we're just making a start has prompted him to.
Now we can ask him for backup.
Yeah,
So,
he'll say, no, what are you doing? He's looking at you puzzledly.
Do we cut it or unroll it and double do it?
Roll it back up, Josh. Oh, of course he wants to.
push it slightly.
God's sake, Rob.
Yeah, he thought you said it already. I saw your message and I thought, oh, is he starting cutting grass or is he... So I thought,
Oh, I see, I know.
Yeah.
I put mine off till tomorrow. Ah,
Oh, well, little play with it.
yes. It's cut it before it all went to seed as well, so that's all right.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Whatever it was.
Yes.
This bit here won't take very long, will it?
Nah, this one.
Oh my lord, where's he going? Doing rolling.
I don't worry, I'm getting paid.
I'm not, because I realise I haven't actually given you my bank details yet.
Oh.
Yeah. Good old salary.
Listening to my job description.
Yeah, that's it. Oh.
Oh, hello, Scufflewall. Said that. Let's frightened him. We're not cutting the big one, Rob. Yep.
Yep. That's it, that's it. You in there. You're looking very suspect, Rob. Yeah, you're like undoing your zipper or something. I don't really like standing on it with these shoes. I'm just tucking it in so it doesn't blow away. Pocket knife, drawer, assemble. Don't cut the sheet, Josh. Don't cut the sheet.
So I don't know whether she got a message in there. Probably did what you do, like when I ring you in the morning. Oh, he'll ring back if he needs me. No, he's probably been ringing you this morning because he actually needs you, but...
Leave a message.
But I'll wait until he calls back.
Leave a message.
I got a little bit. I got up the wall a couple feet here. I've taken my shoes off because I'm petrified about going through it. Can't see it.
I can see the white.
Yeah. Okay. One of us stay on this. Do you want to stay on there, Rosie?
Oh yeah.
Gosh, I'm not sure where the end is. Is this the end?
I think the end is underneath him. There it is. You got him.
Go a bit further, Josh.
Yeah.
Right, hang on a minute. Right, now which... The lines go across. Right, so we're the right way then.
So
yeah.
it's a 50-50 guess, to be honest. I know, I'm petrified of going through the sheet.
And he knows how I remember stuff.
Yeah. Until I start getting wet tyres
No, I was
thrown
going
at
to
me.
say... Afterwards, once you get this heavy one now.
Yeah, he's all right then. I don't mind. I was trying my best, Rosie. And again, look, here's a corner. It's all on camera.
Oh, is it? No swearing. I hope you got the bleeper ready.
Heavy editing. Yeah, I got an edge here. Do you want me to pull it out to the... That's the other one there, isn't it? Oh, no! Well done, Rosie. Pull them up and then pull that in. Oh. It didn't.
Did one load.
I'm surprised.
I haven't told you that bit yet.
Oh.
I was waiting for him to say, what are you still doing that job? And I was going to say, well,
Yeah.
what happened?
What happened was...
Yes, the welder let go. So and we had to fake it up.
So you've been out and done yours yet?
No, they're going to cut it tomorrow now instead. Cut it, cut it tomorrow,
quite well.
turn it out Monday, bail it on Tuesday.
Several bales there, mine.
I reckon it'd be 8 or 9 an acre, yeah. It's not silly, I only put, I put 40 kilos of double top on acre on it.
40 kilos.
Yeah, so it's like 12
Yeah.
of nitrogen or
Yeah.
something. Because I had
But then
got
it's
2 bags
grown
of
this year,
fertiliser.
isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's grown well this year.
It's just about to go to seed, that's why I was quite...
Right.
I wanted Tom to come and cut it now before it does go to seed.
You're going to have Rob driving you all the time. Hopefully you're calming down.
That's alright. We get on so well, it's fine, I think. Until something goes majorly wrong.
Is that as far as we can go, is it?
You got another pallet of them, have you? That is it? Oh.
We have. I believe it.
I don't know if you're coming or going with him. It's just because we respect his authority, Rosie. That's it.
You will respect my authority.
Oh, Richard's got one here.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Here she is. Chief tire-upper lady.
Just about good enough.
No, I just nicked him off the side there. Just to hold the sheet there whilst we was all walking on it. Yeah, look, it's upsetting the feng shui of this bit. Like. Right, so I managed to drain another battery, this time on the GoPro, not on the drone. But hopefully you'd have seen us rolling some sheets out. Did we put a heavy sheet out whilst the camera was on? I can't remember. You'll see in a minute. But there is the finished article. So up the sides, we've got gravel bags, just to keep the side tight. See under there, so there's green bags all upside, around the back, down the other side. And then there's 4 rows of tyres up the side, round the back, and then heap on the front, and then we just dobbed a load in the middle. So as I said, that is just some cow paddocks that I got ahead of the cows. It didn't actually take us very long to sheet up. It's 2:15. We started maybe an hour and 20 minutes ago, 1 o'clock. Yeah, good job done. I got that lovely silage water all up my legs. Beautiful stuff. It's all a bit of running around because initially I was going to cut our grass back my place tonight. Well, I wasn't. Tom was going to go and do it for me, but he's told me he's going to do it tomorrow, so it's not quite a rush. Now I can get home and edit a couple of videos this afternoon, get some work done, that sort of stuff. So it's probably only a little short video with the silage, but I hope you enjoy it. It was nice to get the drone back out. I've not had that one out in a little while, albeit not very well charged. Remember, if you want to, you can follow me along on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. We're also on Snapchat as well. Just JM Farming for everything. Keep it nice and simple. If you want to give us a thumbs up on the video, that really helps support us, and also subscribe. And for those of you who want to go the extra mile, you can buy a little bit of merch from the shop. We'll give a little shout out to Rich, who bought a JM Farming polo top this morning. So thank you very much, mate, for that. Anyway, we'll catch you on another video very soon. Cheerio.